Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites and starting the update now. First, confirm your Mac OS version and which Safari build you have. This determines available updates. Once done, make a QuickTime machine backup or copy critical files. Updates can fail. Next, sign into your Apple ID, then open System Settings or the App Store and navigate to Software Update. Start the update check so the system can list compatible Safari or Mac OS updates. This gets the process moving immediately. Now continue with the middle steps to apply required upgrades. If Safari needs a newer Mac OS, install that Mac OS update first. Safari versions tie to system updates, so you're updating the platform to update the browser. For older Macs, prefer a combo or full installer when available because it resolves partial update issues. While downloading and installing, keep power connected and prevent sleep. This reduces corruption risk. After installation completes, restart the Mac so Safari's new binaries register and extensions reload correctly. Finish by verifying Safari and taking cleanup steps. Open Safari and check about Safari to confirm the version, then visit your important sites to validate rendering and logins. If pages misbehave, clear cache and disable extensions to isolate compatibility issues. Update or remove any broken add-ons. If Safari still crashes or won't update, boot into safe mode to test, then reset NVRAM or SMC. These steps often restore system-level stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.